To a follow-up now. An East Texas city is getting and settling with multiple residents following multiple floods over the past few years that have severely damaged their homes. East Texas News Weekend's Alex Weister spoke with the resident of Longview's Camden Court, who says they feel they can finally move on following the Thursday council meeting.
My wife and I have gone through a lot, and we're just thankful.
After 4 major floods damaged multiple houses on Camden Court and Longview over the last 7 years, the city has agreed to settle with the residents, buying 2 of the homes, something that the city previously said wouldn't be done.
My wife has been praying all day, all night, all week, because she just knew that things were going to go our way.
One resident, Stephen Thacker, says that his home was no longer livable.
My wife and I have been living in this property with open walls. I mean, I can see daylight to the outside.
Attending city council meetings with the other affected residents to raise their concerns. He says in recent months that his voice has been heard.
It's nice to know that the city council actually does care. They've worked very, very hard to try to get us taken care of.
The homes sit in a flood zone, but the city says the water flowing downhill hasn't been getting diverted away from the homes enough by the cutouts already in place. A problem amplified, they say, if drainage gets blocked. The city says they plan to remove the homes and use the land to help fix the flow of water through the area.
I mean, obviously there's the creek that flows behind, and so the water's going to end up there. That's where it's going. It's making sure that without those homes there, that the drainage all works, that everything flows the right way.
Thacker hopeful that no one else in the area will have to deal with the flooding that he and his neighbors did.
They're pretty dedicated to fixing these, not just for us, but for the people that live around us and behind us. Our neighbors, won't have to worry about this type of flooding, even though they have not been flooded.
With the settlement, Thacker feels it will fully allow him to move on.
We'll break even on it, and that's all we ask, is just to, we're not looking to get rich off of anything. We just ask to cover our costs.
Alex Weister, East Texas News Weekend.
Yakeley says after the homes are torn down, new houses will not be built on the lots. The money for the repairs and settlement will come from the city's drainage fund. Planning still underway, and the city says there is no timeline for completion of the fixes as of right now.